In my previous video, I showed you how to use the case-insensitive and the unique sort modifiers. In this video, I'll show you how to use the numeric and the return indexed array modifiers. If you want to sort an array of numbers using the sort method, the numbers would be sorted according to their Unicode character values. If you want to sort the numbers by their numeric value, you will need to use the numeric modifier. In this example, I'll apply both sorts to an array of numbers and display the results. I'm going to start with a new ActionScript 3 project. Notice that my stage looks very similar to my previous example, except I've changed the text labels. In my Actions panel, I'll create a new array which I'll name Numbers. I'll display the contents of the numbers array in the first text field like this. Now I'll create a function that will sort the numbers using the sort method. I'll name this function sort numbers. Now I'll apply the sort method and display the results in the second text field. Then I'll add an event listener to execute this function when the user clicks on the green button. I'll copy this function and paste it here. I'll modify this function to sort the numbers by their numeric values. I'll change the name of this function from sort numbers to sort numeric, and apply the numeric modifier to the sort. I'll display the results in the third text field, and in the event listener, I'll rename btn green to btn orange, and rename sort numbers to sort numeric. Then I'll test the movie. First, I'll apply a normal sort to the array. The elements have been sorted according to the value of their first digit. Now I'll apply a numeric sort to the array, and the elements have been sorted according to their numeric values. Let's say you wanted to create a sorted array, but still wanted to keep your original unsorted array. One way to do this is to use the return indexed array modifier. In this example, I'll use the return indexed array modifier to create an array of indices and then build a new sorted array using the indices array. Once again, I'll set my stage similar to my previous example, but I'll change the labels. In my Actions panel, I'll create an unsorted array which I'll name Heroes. Then I'll create a second empty array which I'll name Heroes IDX. Finally, I'll create a third empty array which I'll name Heroes Sorted. I'll display the unsorted array in the first text field like this. Then I'll create a new function named Build Heroes IDX. This function will fill my second array with the index values of the first array using the return indexed array modifier. I'll display the contents of the Heroes IDX array in the second text field. Then I'll add an event listener that will execute this function when the user clicks on the green button. Now I'll build a sorted array using the elements from the Heroes IDX array as indices. I'll do this in a function that I'll name Build Heroes Sorted. First, I'll create a for loop to loop through each element in the Heroes IDX array. Then I'll build the Heroes Sorted array from the elements in the unsorted Heroes array using the index elements in the Heroes IDX array. I'll display the Heroes Sorted array in the third text field like this. Next, I will create an event listener that will execute this function when the user clicks on the orange button. Now let's test the movie. First, I'll click on the green button and create an array of indices. Then, I'll click on the orange button to create the sorted array. Here's how the elements line up. 0 is the dwarf, 1 is the elf, 2 is the knight, and 3 is the wizard. In my next video, I'll show you how to use the sort on method to sort on element properties. To learn more, visit my website at larrystimson.com.